Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to see your personal balance on Fiverr. Maybe you want to know your personal balance or your money on Fiverr but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can see your personal balance on Fiverr. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open your Fiverr application, you'll see these icons below. The home icon button, the email icon, the search icon, the list icon, and the profile icon. So to see your personal balance, you simply need to tap on this profile icon. And then in here, you will see here the category for My Fiverr and the settings. And on the settings, you'll see this preferences and accounts. Simply tap on this account. And as you can see in here, your account. So to see your personal balance, simply tap on this personal balance. And then in here, you'll see your personal balance. You can see here the Fiverr balance, your earnings, and from your canceled orders. And you also have your total. There you go. If you want to know how to see your personal balance on Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to know your personal balance on Fiverr, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.